What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And once again, my purpose in life, my mission is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. And hopefully everybody's doing great. Today, what I want to talk about is a medicine that everybody should have in their cabinets, everybody should have in their refrigerator. I know it's a big, it's real big right now in the internet scenes. A lot of people are talking about it. Dr. SEBI was probably the ones who really talked about it the most, and he probably the one who made it popular. And to tell you the truth, when that came out, CMOS, back in late 90s, I think he was the one who was talking about it the most out of everybody. I only heard about CMOS from him, to tell you the truth. I don't know if Dr. Africa had it in his book. I gotta check that out. I'm pretty sure he had it in there too, but Dr. Sebi was a very, he promoted CMOS to the fullest extent, and I think it's a great product. To me, that's God's medicine, the Creator's medicine, Yahweh's medicine, Selassie medicine, whatever you want to say, whatever your purpose, whatever brings you joy, whatever brings your family to life, whatever religion, whatever you think about, if that higher being, if it's an alien, if you're whatever you are, a Satanist, whatever you believe in, they put this on earth for us to heal ourselves, and it's CMOS. I am on a 40-day, 40-night water fast, pretty much a liquid fast. Today is day 3. I'm still feeling great. My body has a whole bunch of fat to get rid of, so I'll say by day, and plus I'm used to fasting like 3 to 5 days the most. I'm pretty sure by the time it gets to day 6 or day 7, my body, or maybe by day 8, my body's gonna be like, okay, bitch, put some food in our system. But that's neither here nor there. What I really want to talk about is the purpose of taking CMOS. What I'm gonna do is make a gel out of this. What you do is the CMOS, you put it in a glass container. You put alkaline water in the container, let it soak for 24 to 48 hours. And what happens to it, it turns into like a gel form. And that gel form, you can put it into another container, another glass container, preferably like square or something like that. I'm sorry, my screen is playing tricks on me. Preferably square or something like that. And then put a couple of scoops inside your water, blend it up, drink it. And this is what I'm going to be taking for 7 days. If I get more, I'll probably do another 7 days. But I normally, with my water fast, I do put Epsom salt in my water. I also put baking soda. I also put in sea salt, fine sea salt. And I also put potassium chloride. And if you're into water fasting and stuff like that, that element altogether helps you a lot, because when you pee and everything out, the water out and everything, you need your electrolytes, and those help with your electrolytes. If you want me to make a video about that, put it on the description and I'll tell you more about it and the dosage you need to put in your water. But this is going to be a great product. Even if you just want to take bits and pieces, put it in a smoothie, drink that up. Our body contains like 102 minerals. This contains 92 minerals that our body needs. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with this. I don't know if you can overconsume it. I don't think you can do that, but I mean, CMOS, I think I got this package for 25 bucks. A friend does sell it, so even I like to benefit the people around me, so buy it off of them and let them make the money out of it. So can't complain, just doing my thing. Remember, God's medicine, God's plan. Put this in your salad, put this in your food, whatever you want to do, your smoothie, whatever you want to do with it. If you want to have sex with it and do freaky stuff with your girlfriend, do that too. But CMOS, the greatest thing ever created, ever put on earth. One of them. For me, since being a male, the next best is females first, and then CMOS. But thank you for watching my video. In the description, if you want to donate, you can do that. I also got merchandise in the description if you want to buy some Mr. Hip Hop Vegan. I don't have mine yet. It's coming in the mail, so I'm waiting for that. What else? Nipsey Hussle, his reading the books that he recommended is in the description. subscribe, share, tell people about Mr. Hip Hop Vegan. I got a lot of great things happening. I've been doing this for a long time, and I just haven't stayed consistent, and that's bad on me. So I hope I can stay more consistent and be more productive. So thank you for watching my video, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan. Peace.